Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can increase volume of your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So you can see here it is the maximum volume. Here it is the maximum volume. If you want to increase it, so there are some of the ways you can increase it. You have to go to the settings, click on system, and here you will see you can go to accessibility menu also. Here it is accessibility. If it is not showing, you have to scroll downwards, and here it is audio adjustment. You have to increase. If you have chosen audio balance in the middle, you have to increase, you have to enable this mono audio, combine channels when playing audio. So this will increase it, the volume. You can enable these haptics and vibration from all of this. So that's how you can increase the volume in your smartphone. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.